NFC Bluetooth immobilizer with the app function. We can install this module like this outside, and we also can install it inside, and we swipe the card like this. It's more secret. Now, if I swipe this, it disarm. Then we can start engine now. This means ACC on, and the engine stopped. It will automatically armed. Automatically armed. And my phone has NFC function. I have learned this car inside. We can use this disarm. And I can use the app direct. And we also can enable this function. NFC Bluetooth auto induction. It means I take the phone close to the car, it will disarm automatically, and I take the phone far away the car, it will arm automatically. We can use this switch to set enable it, and use this function to set distance, far, near, or nearest. It means how many distance will be detected. If I take the phone, it close the car, it will disarm, and I far away. It automatically armed. It's disarmed automatically. Okay.